Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on or off Yahoo Mail notifications. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail app, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be required to log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account by signing up. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to turn on and off Yahoo Mail notifications. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen. You have your profile picture. Click on that and it takes you here where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, add another mailbox, manage accounts, notification settings, give feedback. Now click on notifications and that takes you over here. Now at the first thing you're going to see is system settings, and you have troubleshoot, and of course you have enable notifications for all of this. So click on system settings. And once you click on system settings, you can now click on all Yahoo Mail notifications off. And how do you do that? You just toggle it off. Click on the toggle button to toggle off right next to all Yahoo Mail notifications. And once you toggle that off, you'll see that all your Yahoo Mail notifications will be turned off. That's it. So how do you turn it on? Toggle it on and all the emails will be activated again. So toggle off to turn off, toggle on to turn on. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.